Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at a vacuum that promises to tackle everything from pet hair to fine dust with impressive suction power. The Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, equipped with a 600-watt brushless motor, aims to make your cleaning sessions more efficient and less of a hassle. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This vacuum comes with a 50 kph ultra-strong suction power, which is driven by the 600-watt brushless motor. So, what does that mean in the real world? Well, this vacuum is designed to pull up dust, debris, and pet hair from multiple surfaces. Whether you're working with carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the strong suction promises to leave no dirt behind. You'll be able to clean even the most stubborn pet hair embedded deep in carpets or trapped in the nooks and crannies of your furniture. One of the standout features is its extended runtime. The vacuum runs on a 2200 mAh 8-cell battery, which delivers up to 65 minutes of continuous cleaning in eco mode. In medium mode, you get around 30 minutes, and in boost mode, it lasts for 16 minutes. This flexibility in battery life means you can adjust according to your cleaning needs. It also charges pretty quickly. In just 2.5 hours, it's fully ready to go, cutting down on any frustrating downtime. If you've ever struggled with a vacuum that keeps tipping over, this vacuum solves that problem. It's designed to be self-standing, which means you can simply set it down between cleaning tasks without worrying about it leaning against walls or furniture. It's a small but incredibly practical feature that makes a big difference in everyday use. As for cleaning tools, this vacuum comes with a versatile set of attachments that really make it stand out. The crevice tool helps you reach tight corners and narrow gaps, while the 2-in-1 hairbrush is a must for pet owners. It's designed to lift embedded pet hair from upholstery, mattresses, and even car interiors, ensuring a deeper clean in the places that matter most. These attachments make it much easier to tackle different surfaces and cleaning challenges around your home. At just 6 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver. The cordless design means you're not tethered to a wall, which makes cleaning upstairs or across large rooms much easier. It glides smoothly across floors, furniture, and carpets, and the adjustable suction modes give you more control over how much power you need for the job at hand. The touchscreen control is a nice touch, allowing you to easily switch between the 3 suction modes: Eco, Medium, and Boost. The display gives you real-time updates on battery life and running status, and it even alerts you to any issues, making it a smarter way to keep track of your cleaning session. This user-friendly interface makes a world of difference compared to traditional vacuum controls, giving you a more intuitive and responsive cleaning experience. Now, let's talk about filtration. The vacuum features a 5-stage filtration system that captures 99.99% of fine dust and locks in allergens. This is a game changer for pet owners and allergy sufferers. The HEPA filter and outlet filters help prevent secondary pollution, ensuring that the air stays as clean as your floors. If you're sensitive to dust or have pets that shed constantly, this system is a real asset. When it comes to real-world testing, this vacuum performs well across a range of scenarios. On hard floors, it picks up fine dust and small debris with ease, leaving surfaces spotless. On carpets, it handles embedded dirt and pet hair with strong suction, though it may require a couple of passes on thicker high-pile carpets to get everything. The crevice tool really shines in tight spots, making it easy to clean around furniture and other obstacles. The hairbrush attachment does a solid job on pet hair, but long-haired users may find that they need to clean the brush roll occasionally to avoid tangles. One downside to note is that while the vacuum is light, some users may still find it a little cumbersome to maneuver in tight spaces due to the design of the wand. This is more of a personal preference issue, but it's something to consider if you have a lot of furniture to clean around. Additionally, in boost mode, the battery runs down quickly, so you'll need to be mindful of your cleaning time if you're tackling larger areas. In terms of build quality, this vacuum feels sturdy without being overly heavy. The materials used feel solid, and the joints, wands, and hose connections are secure, which should ensure durability over time. However, The dust bin may need to be emptied frequently if you have a lot of dirt or pet hair to pick up. And while the filtration system is efficient, you'll need to clean or replace the filters from time to maintain peak performance. When considering value for money, this vacuum is definitely a solid option for those looking for a high-performance cordless vacuum with strong suction power and versatile attachments. While it may not be the cheapest model out there, the features you get, especially the self-standing design, long battery life, and multi-surface cleaning capabilities, justify the price. Competing vacuums in this price range may offer similar performance, but few can match the convenience and flexibility this model brings to the table. As for alternatives, you could compare this vacuum to models like the Dyson V8 or the Shark IZ300, which also offer strong suction and good filtration. While those models are slightly more expensive, they might offer additional features or slightly better build quality in some cases. However, for those on a tighter budget, this vacuum provides a well-rounded package at a more affordable price, with no major sacrifices in performance. In terms of long-term durability, this vacuum seems like it should hold up well, but there's always the potential for wear and tear, especially if you use it frequently on high-power modes. The filters and brush roll might need regular maintenance, but that's par for the course with most vacuums. Overall, this vacuum is a great choice for anyone who needs a lightweight, powerful, and flexible cleaning tool. It's especially ideal for homes with pets, allergy sufferers, or anyone who needs to clean a variety of surfaces, from hard floors to carpets. If you're looking for something easy to use with good battery life, solid suction, and a set of versatile attachments, this model is definitely worth considering. If you've already used this vacuum or have any questions about its performance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find the link to this vacuum in the comments box. Until next time, happy cleaning, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our reviews here at Reviewsinside TV.